In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify in under a minute. If you're looking to streamline your customer interaction and enhance user experience on your Shopify store, enabling customer accounts is a great place to start. I'll guide you through this easy process that could make all the difference in retaining and engaging your customers. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page, the hub where all modifications and settings adjustments take place. If you're new to Shopify, you can access it by logging into your Shopify account and selecting your store from the drop-down menu. From here, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things related to your Shopify store. Next, we'll move over to the settings. You'll find this option in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on Settings, on some sets, and a new page will open with a list of all the configuration options pertaining to your store. We're interested in the Customer Accounts section, so go ahead and click on General to get to the main settings page. Once you're in the General settings, locate and click on Customer Accounts. This section will let you customize how you want your customers to interact with your store. By enabling customer accounts, you can offer a more personalized shopping experience and encourage customers to return in the future. This step really sets the foundation for building stronger relationships with your buyers. Now, let's make sure your customers can easily access their accounts. You'll want to click on Show Sign-in Links. This option ensures that your customers will readily see the sign-in links when they visit your store, making it simple for them to log in and check their past orders or save their favorite items for future purchase. It's all about reducing friction for your customers and making their shopping journey as enjoyable as possible. After showing sign-in links, head back to the Customer Accounts interface to confirm everything is set up correctly. It's essential to double-check that all your adjustments meet your expectations and to ensure there are no hiccups in the customer sign-in process. Providing a seamless experience will contribute to higher customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully enabled customer accounts on your Shopify store. This straightforward yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your store's functionality and improve the overall shopping experience for your customers. Remember, by fostering a welcoming and efficient environment online, you're likely to see happier customers who return for more.